Today, we're diving into a boot review, specifically the Dewalt workwear boots that I use when I'm woodworking or doing long dog walks. If you've seen Bailey Dog in my videos, you'll know that when we're not in the workshop or breaking up pallets, we're out every day, rain or shine, 6 to 8 miles, 2 to 3 hours minimum. Comfort, durability and protection are all key. So let's get into this video. First up, the Dewalt Columbia men's waterproof steel toe cap S3 work boot. These are my go-to for woodworking and tougher jobs, and they're an absolute must when we have our annual holiday in Crawley, Devon, and the daily visit to Saunton Sands. Let's break down the specs. There's a safety rating of S3WR/SRA, no idea what that means. There's a steel toe cap with 200 joules of protection, which means you can keep the living daylights out of a pallet, and a steel midsole plate, which is often known as an anti-puncture insole, means that you have got no worries about standing on nails. Not that I've tried on purpose. They take a little while to break in, but at £75 I think they're worth it. Waterproofing is decent, but if you do walk through a stream, expect some water to seep in through the laces section. And I know that sounds daft, but we do Follow His Nose Friday, and that means I have to follow Bailey wherever he goes, even if he walks through a stream. This is what they look like after 1 year, still solid, decent. After 2 years, even with heavy use, they're holding up well. But I do have a favourite alternative. If the Columbia boots are like a heavy-duty truck, then these are more like a comfy SUV. As it happens, I drive a Range Rover Sport, so I guess I fit into both analogies. This is the Dewalt Pro Lite Comfort. Safety rating here is an SBP/SRA. I still don't know what that means. It has a 200 joule toe cap, but this time it's made out of aluminium, or aluminum as the Americans like to say. Why do I prefer them? No steel midsole plate, which makes them lighter. Aluminium toe cap, it's still strong but lighter than steel, and as you'll see here, excellent for kicking the living daylights out of a pallet. They're really comfortable, especially for long dog walks. I have a lot of metalwork in one of my ankles, so the cushioning around the top is crucial for me. These make a long day in the workshop or an afternoon on the Salisbury Plain with Captain Chunky so much better. Of course, no boot is perfect. Here's what to expect after a year. A few scratches and a few scuffs, normal wear. The lace hooks, they can rip the laces over time. They take the covering off it, so keep some spares handy. And after 2 years, expect some wear at the extreme stress points. I've used some CA glue here to slow down the tearing a little bit and delay the inevitable trip to the great boot shop in the sky. And when they're finally done, strip the laces and reuse them in a new pair. Waste not, want not, trash to cash, all that good stuff. So my verdict, both boots are winners. But for all day wear and dog walks, I love the Pro Lite Comfort. Not waterproof, but as comfortable as a mug of hot chocolate in the cold November rain. If you need steel midsole and waterproofing, the Columbia is the way to go. I'm not sponsored by Dewalt, although that's not through a lack of trying, but I really do like their boots. Now, it's time to lace these up and head out for a walk. See you in the next one.
Lovely. Hope you've enjoyed. See you again.